everyone, myself Dr. Rekha, Assistant Professor of Commerce. In this video, I am going to talk about the perfect solution to convert PDF files and documents for free. Before that, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and click bell button so that you get notification of my upcoming videos. You can easily convert PDF files for free using Ilovepdf. Millions of users manage their PDF files by using the Ilovepdf website. It helps to save time and effort by solving all the PDF needs in one single place with our best-in-class tools. Let's see how to use Ilovepdf website. You can use any browser. Here I am using Google. First you have to type Ilovepdf and then click. In the front page we can see that Ilovepdf online PDF tools for PDF lovers. We have to click that, and next we can see the home page of Ilovepdf. In the home page we can see that every tool you need to work with PDFs in one place at your fingertips, and also it's 100% free and very easy to use. The options which is given under this website are merge, split and compress PDF. Then we can also convert Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF. Then we can edit the PDF by adding text, image, shapes or any annotations to a PDF documents. And also we can edit the size of font and color of the added content. Next option is PDF to JPG and JPG to PDF. JPG represents image, so we can convert the image to PDF, and also we can convert PDF to image. Then we can add page number into a PDF. Then we can also add a watermark or a stamp of an image or text over a PDF. Next option is to rotate the PDF. We can rotate multiple PDF at once. Then we can convert web pages in HTML to PDF. Next one is we can protect PDF files with a password, and also we can remove the PDF password security. Then we can organize PDF, and next one is to transform the PDF to PDF-A files. Next is if we want to repair a damaged PDF and recover data from corrupt PDF, then we can fix the PDF file with the repair tool. And then the last option which is given is to sign PDF. We can sign a document and request the signatures. We can draw the signature, or we can sign the PDF files with a certificate based digital ID. So we can see that lot of the options which is given to convert the PDF in just a single website, that is Ilovepdf. So Ilovepdf is a fantastic online service tool to work with the PDF files completely free, and it's very easy to use. And we can do all this works within a seconds. First, let's understand how to convert Word document to PDF. For this you have to select Word file which you want to convert to PDF. Then after selecting the file, you have to click convert to PDF. After conversion, it will be automatically downloaded. We can see on the left side it's downloaded. Let's open it. The Word document, it is converted into PDF. So after conversion we cannot make any changes in the PDF. Well, it's done within a seconds. And on the top we can see all the tools is mentioned, like merge, split, compress PDF, convert PDF, and all is available for free. If the converted PDF file is too big, then we can reduce the file size by selecting compress PDF. So next, let's see how to compress the PDF. For this we have to select a PDF file. Here I am selecting the PDF which I have converted now. And then we have to select compress PDF. Here we can see that the actual file size of the PDF is 258 KB. When we use the compress tool, the size of the PDF file gets smaller and it is converted to 58 KB. This compress tool is very useful when we apply for online applications or any other examinations, because the document size which have to be uploaded will be limited. So the compress PDF helps to reduce the file size. In the same way, we can also convert the PDF to Word. By converting the PDF to Word, we can easily edit the documents. Next tool is merge PDF. If we have more than one PDF, then we can merge together. That is, we can combine the PDF in the order which we want. See here, I am selecting two PDF to combine as a one PDF. For this, I am selecting the merge tool. And if we want to add more files, then we can click by selecting the add symbol. After selecting the files, then we have to give merge PDF. Then the PDF will be ready to download. See, both the PDF, it became as a single PDF. If we want to select the files, then we can also drag from the folder. For this, here I am showing here, you can drag like this from the folder, and then you can just leave it into the Ilovepdf app. See, like this you can drag the PDF from the folder and then you can leave it into Ilovepdf website page. Next, if we want to separate the PDF, then we have to use split PDF tool. First, we have to select the PDF which we want to separate. On the right side, we can see the tools which is available to separate the pages. We have to give page number and then we have to click split PDF. Within a seconds, it will be ready to download. Next option is to edit the PDF. We can add text, image, shapes, anything to a PDF document, and also we can edit the size of the font and color of the added content. For this, all the tools are available on the top of the file. Then after editing, we can convert and download the file. Next tool is watermark. This, it can be used for adding an image or text over the PDF within a seconds. On the right side, we can see all the options. We can place a text or we can place an image. Then we can change the name. We can use the text format, bold, italic, underline, and we can change the color of the text. And the next one is to place the position of the text. If we are selecting mosaic means, then it will be shown like this. It will be placed all over the page, but here we can select a particular position. I'm selecting right corner, and then next option is transparency. Then also rotation. We can rotate the image or the text which you are selecting. Then we can select the page number in which the watermark is to be visible. Then we can also select whether it's to be visible over the PDF or below the PDF content. And then after editing all the work, we can just click the add watermark. It will be converted within seconds and will be ready to download. Here we can see the changes which we have given. We can see the watermark of EduGrit in this file. Next, I am going to show how to convert the image into PDF. For this, we have to select JPG to PDF. Here on the right side, we can see the options. We can select portrait or landscape of the image. Then we can select the page size, and then we can also select margin, and also we can keep the size of the image as small or big. And if we are selecting more images, then we can merge all the images into one single PDF file. And at last, after making all the changes, we can convert to PDF and we can download the file. Like this, you can check all other tools which is available under this website. All the files uploaded in the Ilovepdf are protected using Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. So it's very safe to use Ilovepdf. And it's a free app to manage PDF files over the web. Ilovepdf is very easy to use and it's your all-in-one stop for your PDF needs. If you have still not subscribed my channel, do subscribe and click bell button so that you get notification of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.